Alright, so step 2 is complete on this. Now we're gonna get some dirt, fill that in at the pond. I really don't know about the pond. I got a buried pipe underneath there. I might pull that out. That's just, the only problem is I'm afraid that the spill coming off of that would hit anything I planted over there. That will kind of catch it, maybe even water it as it overflows. I got it leaning this way. But I want to fill this up with dirt. As usual, got all the bosses. Dagburn! Dagburn, what are y'all doing? Look at him. So you do this type of work, you got all this help, nobody wants to do anything. But all 7 of the turkeys is here. And these guys just want the toy thrown. Then you've always got the environmentalists. You know, I had some rock stored over there, and they wanted to make sure that everything's legit over there, and I didn't disturb any habitat. I hope I don't get in trouble because some ants had made a home over there. Also been cutting firewood today. You can see way up there a tree fell. I got a bunch of it cut up. And then I got down in the creek and played a little bit. And we're running a fence line. I'm thinking about running a fence line up to the creek, all the way down to the end of the bottom. The neighbor left his tractor here, so I'm putting it to use. Huh? We're going canoeing or something silly tomorrow. Who's got time for all that? But this house here, I think I'll cut that upper bottom while I got his tractor here. It stays swampy. I need to get it cut. That way I can get my little excavator up there and see what I'm doing better. That's what's going on right here. I think it's going to look good. Let's hear your best gobble. Nobody's going to gobble? Strutting around. You are a handsome lad, Dagburn. Lou, are you jealous? Don't you wish you looked like that? Okay. Daggum rednecks. Y'all's a bunch of rednecks. Anyway, phase 2. I'm gonna take a break. Maybe get a cup of coffee. I'm gonna fill this with dirt before I put the fancy dirt in there. May go up another layer on it. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out this pond deal. See how this works out. This might be coming out. I tell you what, them old timers carved these things out by hand. Let me tell you, these ain't light. I had to wrestle these things in place. Man, that was some men. That was some straight up men that carved these out. You can see all the little special carvings. I'm guessing this was a chimney or something at one time. There's a couple of notches in them. I tried to turn their work out so people can admire and say, see, look here, look at the notches cut in them. Ain't that just fancy? But imagine, I mean, these things are, even the smaller ones up here, I had to lift out of the bucket and put it up there one side at a time. I bet them's at least 100 pounds, maybe more. But that's what we got. I think I'll make a good asparagus bed. I think what I'm going to do is take some flashing or something, maybe some of this plastic, I don't know, and put down at the bottom here. Kind of cover the bricks up, and that way the barn's not going to be in touch with the dirt. Anyway, there we go. God bless.